Hello everyone, I'm back here again with another video, and for today's video, we're gonna learn how to make a DIY water filter. To start with, let us first prepare the materials. We're gonna need 1 liter of any bottle that is available in your house, scissors, tissue or cotton, gravel sand, fine sand, dirty water, and last but not the least, the charcoal. For the first step, you will need the bottle and the scissors. You will cut the bottle into half. The upper part of the bottle is where you will put the rest of the materials, and the lower part is where your filtered water will be stored. Step 2. In this part, you can choose whether you will use the cotton or the tissue. For me, it is more convenient to use the cotton. You will have to put the cotton or tissue at the top or the mouth of the bottle. This will be your first layer in your DIY water filter. Step 3. Next, put the charcoal for the second layer of your water filter. The charcoal removes the contaminants and impurities by absorption. Step 4. You will need to pour the gravel sand on top of the charcoal. The gravel sand will filter out the larger sediments. For the step 5, you will need to pour the fine sand on top of the gravel sand. The fine sand will filter out the fine impurities. And for the last step, step 6, you will need to pour the dirty water, and let's see how it will transform into a clear water. It may not be as clear as you expected, but it is a lot more clearer than before, at least. Here's the before and after pictures of the water. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!